In title of my project is Synthesis Characterization of Novel Fluorinated Diketone. Significance of study. Why diketone compound? Fluorinated diketone has attracted considerable attention in the design of biological active molecule and advanced organic material. Diketone are used as starting material for the development of bioactive compound in organic synthesis. A diketone in which two keto groups are separated by a single carbon atom known as beta diketone. Some natural products are like anti-inflammatory curcumin has diketone moiety in its structure. The best known example of beta diketone compounds are 2,4-pentadiene, 1,3-cyclohexadiene. A number of heterocyclic ring system can be assessed through beta diketone substrates like acromone, pyridine, pyrimidine. Some examples of diketone. These all are the common example of the diketone. All structure containing the diketone moiety. Biological active drugs. Following are the biological active drugs. This is the structure of naturally occurring curcumin molecule. This molecule contains a diketone moiety and this is act as an anti-inflammatory drug. This is a structure of antiviral drug. This is also contains diketone moiety. This is a structure of anti-inflammatory drugs. This is a antifungal drugs. This is the antibacterial drugs. This is a sunscreen product. This all drugs structure containing diketone moiety. Why fluorinated diketone? Because fluorinated diketone is associated with many types of biological properties such as anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antiviral, antibacterial, anti-cancers. Therefore, I have decided to synthesize the fluorinated diketone derivatives. Complete scheme of diketone. This is the full scheme of my project work. Firstly, I have taken a different substituted phenol. It is treated with pyridine in acetic anhydride as a solvent. Then keep the reaction mixture for overnight. Then extracted the phenyl acetate by using ether. Then phenyl acetate is converted into orthohydroxyacetophenone by using Fries rearrangement. Then fluorinated cinnamic acid is treated with substituted orthohydroxyacetophenone in tripyridine and POCl3 and get a sterile ester when reacted with pyridine and KOH by Baker-Venkataraman transformation get diketone compound. Reaction was monitored by TLC and AMP. This is the physical data of diketone compound. This is the FTIR spectra of fluorinated diketone compound. This first peak appear at 1590 centimeter inverse, and this is the peak the range of aromatic carbon-carbon stressing frequency. Then this peak appears at 1695 centimeter inverse. This is the range of carbon stressing frequency. Then this peak is the this peak is appear at 3612 centimeter inverse, and this is the range of hydroxy stressing frequency. Therefore, the data clearly indicate that in this compound present carbon-carbon double bond, carbonyl and OH group. Then this is the H1 NMR spectra of compound 2. Both the H7 and H11 proton are the hydroxy proton and show singlet, but the H7 proton show hydrogen bonding. Therefore, its chemical shift value is deshielded as compared to H11 proton. This is the resolution spectra of H1 NMR spectra of compound second. H1 is the aromatic proton and show 7.36 delta chemical shift value and show meta coupling with H2 and H3 proton. H2 are also aromatic proton and show 7.81 delta value and show singlet. H3 is also aromatic proton and show 6.97 delta chemical shift value. It is also show meta coupling with H1 and H2 proton. H4 proton present on beta position with respect to carbonyl, and its chemical shift value get deshielded. It is also show trans coupling with H5. H5 proton also show trans coupling with H4. H6 proton is present in between carbonyl group and show singlet for 6.27 delta chemical shift value. H8 and H9 protons are aromatic proton and show the 7.54 to 7.64 delta value and show multiplet. H10 proton is the aromatic proton and show show ortho coupling with H9 proton and show doublet. Conclusion: in current study we have synthesis novel fluorinated diketone derivatives. Structure of all derivatives compared by spectral analysis. Results showed that presence of 1,3-diketone in enol form with hydrogen bonding. Physical data show methyl substituted derivatives show less yield. hands-on all laboratory techniques. References. This all references I have used to complete my project work. Acknowledgement. I am thankful to all organizing committee and principal of KBP College Vashi, Navi Mumbai for the giving the chance for present my project work. Then also I am also thankful to Dr. Dayar Tube sir, Vice Principal and HOD of New Arts, Commerce and Science College Parner, and my project guide Dr. S.G. Kundlikar madam, and all teachers and non-teaching staff of my college. I am also thankful to my project colleague Madhuri and Yogita. Thank you.